Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. Today I am going to make gulab jamun. Everyone knows the recipe, but I am showing you the easiest way how to make gulab jamun. Hope you like my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's begin the recipe. This is the ingredients we are using for the gulab jamun, and this one is baking powder, cooking soda, milk powder, milk, plain flour, ghee or butter, which is suitable for you. You can use it. So let's start the preparation for the gulab jamun. Firstly, I am taking milk powder. This one we are using 2 cups. This is the another cup. We need to save this one first. We are doing this safe because we don't want any lumps in the dough for the jamun. This is a half cup of plain flour we are using for the jamun. So I am putting this half cup here to do safe like this because I don't want any lumps in my jamun dough. Let's begin. This is the half teaspoon for the baking powder. This is the cooking soda, a pinch of cooking soda, and now we need to do safe again like this. So I'm adding 4 tablespoons of ghee. So mix it well. And now you can check it's moist, hold and shaped. Now you can see this, I mixed it well. It's time to add half cup of milk. Mix it well now. It should be sticky and loose, so you can check it should be enough or not. I'm checking like this, so you can do like the same. When I mix it, it's like this. It won't enough half cup, so we need to add some more half cup. Then do it like this. It should be sticky and loose because after some time it's gonna be hard, so we need to make it sticky like this. So this is sticky. We have to put in rest for 20 to 25 minutes. In the meanwhile, we need to make a sugar syrup for the gulab jamun. So let's start. So this is the ingredients for the sugar syrup. This is saffron. Saffron is completely optional. This is elaichi powder or cardamom powder. This is we are using lime or lemon, 3-4 drops for the sugar syrup. And this is the 3 cups of sugar and water. Firstly, we need to take a bowl like this, whatever you want. And I'm adding 3 cups of sugar like this. 2, 3. And we need to add 5 cups of water in this. So we need to add 5 cups of water. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's start the stove. Put it on high flame first, and we need to add elaichi or cardamom powder. We need to add some drops of lime or lemon, and we need to add saffron. It's completely optional, up to you. So we need to wait here. When it's completely boiling, we need to put it 15 minutes like this. Once it's boiled, so it's done, and need to stir like this. We need to wait until it's boiling. So I'm doing this stir, do this, okay? So you can see this one is boiling. Make it boil like this. You can see this is boiling now. It should be like this. To 2 to 5 minutes you can boil like this. It should be like this. switching off the stove, and you need to cover it and keep aside. After 15 to 20 minutes, the dough is like it. You can see it's quite hard, so you can make the small dough. Let's begin. So after that, you can see this is like that. So we can use the some ghee and do it like this, and we need to make small dough like this, like this. Put it aside like this, and another one like this. Keep aside. So this is all the small balls I made with the dough. So if you think the dough is a bit liquid, you can add some milk powder in it, so you can make it equal. I made 31 to 32 small balls, so whatever like you prefer, you can make the size of the balls. So let's start the procedure for the jamun. Add oil in this, like this. Refined oil I'm using. You need to wait until the oil warm, then we can add our small ball in it. Here we can check here the oil warm or not. Sorry. So I think the oil is warm, so your flame should be on medium, so you can put small balls in it like this. Just doing like this, and you can stir. Sometimes it's gonna be stick at the down, so you can see this one. Just like that. We need to wait until it's going to be brown color. So friends, as you can see, I already put jamun in the karai. You can see I'm using like a small flame, because I want the jamun should be cooked properly from outside and inside. It is important that you need to use, once the oil warm, you need to do your flame low, and you can put it the jamun in it, and you can see the balls is cooking properly. I made a small balls. Whatever size you prefer, you can make it. I think it's cooked now, so it's time to take it off, because I don't want it's more darker. I don't want, I like this color, brown, light brown color. Some people like dark brown, some people like light brown, but I like light brown, so that's why I'm taking it off. I put here because I don't want any excess oil in my jamun. So this is our sugar serum. You need to make sure that the sugar serum is warm while you are adding small balls in it. So I'm adding the balls now, like this. And now you need to wait for 2 to 3 hours, then it's ready to serve. I hope it become a juicy gulab jamun. As you can see, it's ready to serve. You can notice the ball size is double now, because we put in the sugar syrup. Now it's ready to serve. So friends, this is the final look of the jamun. Hope you like my video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in my comment box that you like and you tried my recipe. and how much you like my video and how it turns on when you tried it. So let me know. See you on my next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.